Streaming games on TikTok is a fantastic way to boost audience engagement and leverage the platform's dynamic format. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to set it up using TikTok Live Studio. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and install TikTok Live Studio. Go to the TikTok Live Studio page, download the software and install it. Once installed, open the app and log in with your TikTok account. The step 2 is adjust the settings. By default, the layout is a landscape mode. But since TikTok primarily use portrait mode, we need to switch it. Click the layout option and change it to portrait mode. The next step is add your sources. Click add source and choose how you want to capture your game. Game capture the game directly. Window capture a specific application window. Display capture captures your entire screen. For this example, I will select window capture. Choose the application you are running. Optionally toggle whether to display the cursor. Click add source and then OK. Adjust and position your game feed as needed. Once everything is set up, click go live at the bottom of the screen. That's it. Congratulations, you are now streaming your game on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and guides. Happy streaming. Goodbye.